We shall discuss the number of degrees of freedom. We shall solve some more problems. So in first problem we have taken here, there are two rollers rolling. This roller is fixed at this hinge, and this roller is fixed to this link, and this link is fixed at this hinge. Now we shall first count the number of links here. So first, this is 1, the fixed hinge is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 links here. This hinge is also link 1, the fixed hinges are link 1, so link 1, link 2, 3 and 4. So the number of links is 4. We shall write the formula now. 3 into n minus 1 minus 2j minus h. The formula is 3 into n minus 1 minus 2j minus h. Now we shall find the joints. J, number of degrees of freedom, number of links having 1 degree of freedom, j. So here there is 1, here 2 and here 3. So j is 3, and h, here h, the link 3 and link 4, they are sliding and rolling. So here these two links have 2 degrees of freedom. So we can take the value of h as 1. So now we shall find the number of degrees of freedom. 3 into 4 minus 1 minus 2 into j, 3 minus h1. 3 into 4 minus 1, 3 minus 2 3s are 6 minus 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. F is equal to 2. So here this link has 2 degrees of freedom. The mechanism have 2 degrees of freedom. Now we'll see the next problem. So first we'll number the links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here there are 11 number of links. Here the fixed hinges all constitute link 1. This is link 1, this is link 1, and this is also link 1. So the total number of links is 11. Now we'll write the formula. F is equal to 3 into n minus 1 minus 2j minus h. Next we'll find the value of j. For j we shall consider the new formula, n plus l minus 1. So n is number of links, l is number of loops, and 1 here. If the figure is like this, if the given problem is little bit complicated, we'll make use of this formula to find the j, n plus l minus 1. So here n is number of links 11 and l is the number of loops. So here there are if we join the straight line like this, if we join line like this and like this, we'll get loop 1, loop 2, loop 3, loop 4 and loop 5. So we'll get 5 number of loops here, plus 5 minus 1. Here we'll draw one imaginary line here, straight line. If we draw like that, this will become a closed loop. Like that, in similar fashion, we'll draw straight line here and we'll draw straight line here. Then we'll get loop 1, loop 2, loop 3 and loop 4, loop 3. Here the loop is already completed, so we'll consider these as loops. So the total number of loops is 5. The total number of loops is 5. So the value of j is 11 plus 5, 16 minus 1, 15. The value of j is 15. Now the value of h. Here links don't have any 2 degree of freedom, so the value of h will be 0. The number of degrees of freedom, f is equal to 3 into 11 minus 1 minus 2 into j 15 minus h is 0. 3 into 11 minus 1, 10 minus 15 into the 2, 15 into 2, 30 minus 0. So it becomes 10 3s are 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. So the number of degrees of freedom is 0. For this mechanism, the number of degrees of freedom is 0. The number of degrees of freedom is 0. Next we shall see another problem. First we'll count the number of links present here. So the number of links 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the number of links present in this problem is 12. The total number of links is 12. We have given numbers to all the links. Here the hinges, it will be link 1 only. So there are 4 hinges here. All the links constitute link 1 only. So the total number of links is 12 here. Next we will write the formula. 3 into n minus 1 minus 2j minus h. To find the value of j, we shall use n plus l minus 1. So n is the number of links, 12, plus l is number of loops. So l is number of loops. Here if we draw straight line here, this will become one loop, loop 1, and if I draw straight line here, it will become loop 2. This is loop 3, this is loop 4, and this is loop 5. So in this figure we can find that there are 5 loops, loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write 5 minus 1. So the value of j becomes 12 plus 5, 17 minus 1, 16. The value of j is 16. Now we shall find the value of h. H is 0 because no links have 2 degrees of freedom here. So we shall take the value of h as 0. Now we will find the number of degrees of freedom. F is equal to 3 into n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 minus 2 into j, 16 minus h is 0. So 3 into 12 minus 1, 11 minus 16 2s are 32 minus 0. 11 3s are 33 minus 32 minus 0. So here 1. The value of f is 1. So it has constrained motion. So we will write constrained motion with 1 degrees of freedom. So the above problem, it is constrained. It has constrained motion with 1 degree of freedom. So this is how we need to solve the problem.